Welcome to Hamdard Medico. Today in this very tutorial, I am going to explain the mediastinum. As you can see in this very picture, we have two lungs. One we have this lung and one we have this lung. And between these two lungs, we have this very space. Now the space between the two lungs is called the mediastinum, right? So both the lateral boundaries of the mediastinum is pumped by the lungs. Inferior boundary of the mediastinum is pumped by the diaphragm, which is the muscle of the inspiration. And the superior limit of the mediastinum is pumped by the superior thoracic aperture. And in the diaphragm, we have a couple of important structures that are lying in the mediastinum. The primarily important structure in that mediastinum is the heart, as you can see in this very structure. Then we have then we have the aorta, the descending aorta, as well as we have the trachea. We have the esophagus, we have the thymus. All these structures are basically lying in the mediastinum, right? Now we are dividing the mediastinum into two major sections, and this very division is formed at the level of the sternal angle, right? So above the sternal angle, the mediastinum is called the superior mediastinum, right? And below the sternal angle, the portion of the mediastinum is called the inferior mediastinum. This very picture, this green structure, this green line is indicating the mediastinum. And now you can see this blue marking. This marking is actually separating the mediastinum into two separate sections. The superior one is called the superior mediastinum, as you can see, and the inferior one is called the inferior mediastinum. So this is the topographic view of the mediastinum, right? Now we are going to now let's have a look at the sagittal section of the mediastinum. So as you can see, this green line is actually indicating the thoracic plane. The thoracic plane is actually dividing the mediastinum into the superior and the inferior mediastinums, and the thoracic plane is actually um, uh, it is actually present at the level of the sternal angle, right? So superior to it or above to the thoracic plane, above to this green line, we have the superior mediastinum, and inferior to this green line, we have the inferior mediastinum, right? Now, we are again dividing the inferior mediastinum into three subsections, and the lining or the marking of the of this separation is formed by this very structure. As you can see, this is we have the pericardium. As you know, that pericardium is the sac that is actually surrounding the heart. So this very region that is surrounded by the pericardium, this very region is called the middle mediastinum, right? There is the middle mediastinum. Anterior to the middle mediastinum, we have the anterior mediastinum. So this very section, this very region of the mediastinum is the anterior mediastinum. And now posterior to this very structure, posterior to the pericardium, we have this very region. As you can see, this is called the posterior mediastinum, right? And as you can see in the posterior mediastinum, we have a couple of important structures. This red structure, as we have the uh, thoracic aorta or the descending aorta. Then we have the uh, inferior and the superior vena cava, and we have the azygous vein as well. As you can see, this bluish structure is the azygous vein. So similarly, we have the inferior and the superior vena cava in this posterior mediastinum as well. Else this we have else this we have another structure, that is we have the trachea, as well as we have the esophagus in the posterior mediastinum, and the middle mediastinum we have the pericardium and the heart, and in the anterior mediastinum, we have the internal thoracic artery and the internal thoracic vein. So these are the contents of the mediastinum. In the superior mediastinum, we have an important gland, that is the thymus, that is situated in the superior mediastinum, right? So this was all regarding the mediastinum. You should remember that the middle mediastinum, the anterior mediastinum, and the posterior mediastinum. All these three mediastinums are the part of the inferior mediastinum, right? So the inferior mediastinum is divided into middle, anterior and posterior mediastinum. So this was all regarding the mediastinum.